Hi guys and dolls, divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you part of my foundation journey. I have been looking for a foundation that works for me. As my friend Lulu from Aging Gorgeously says, she's brown girl or black girl beige. I am not. I am much darker, but not dark enough to be deep or dark, really. So it's always a fight to find a foundation color that works for me, because I'm usually too light for the, when they start to cater to deeper skin tones, and I'm too dark when they're just trying to dip their toe in the deeper complexions. So I'm kind of left out. I'm in that section that is left out. So I kind of feel like the people who are really, really light, who never get anything that they like, and the people who are really, really dark, who don't get what they like. But then there's a section in the middle that never get what they like, because they're just not dark enough for the ones who are trying to cater to darker skin tones, and they're too light for those who are trying to really give good full coverage to darker skin tones. So I am trying today Clinique's Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup Broad Spectrum 15 SPF 15, and this is in the color Ginger 112. I hope you can see that. So I have primed my face. It's moisturized and primed. I'm using a Shiseido 50 Plus sunscreen. It's been giving me a little trouble. It's been peeling with, I have Hangover RX, so it's been peeling with the Hangover RX, so I have to kind of almost wipe down my face before I even start putting on foundation, but it is what it is. So I've shook it up. I'm gonna put it on a Tarte brush. I'm going to start in the middle of my face. And I like using a brush first for the initial application. And then I'll go back behind it with a blender. So I don't know, what is this color? How does this color look? In this light, it looks okay. Looks warm enough, because a lot of times the problem is it's just not warm enough. And warm to different companies means different things. Sometimes warmth means red. Sometimes warmth means orange. I don't like to look like a Oompa Loompa. I would say that I am warm tone, sometimes bordering on neutral. I have golden, but sometimes I can wear a neutral. I could pull off a neutral. I think that looks pretty good. Now, I am going to try out one of the Beauty Bakery blenders, and I'm going to spray it with Smashbox Primer Water to moisten it, excuse me. I'm going to pounce that into my skin. And this actually looks pretty good. This is a pretty good match. And for concealer today, I'm going to use Fawn. This is LA Girl Conceal. I'm going to use Fawn. When I first bought it, I thought, oh, okay, this is the color. I've seen a lot of people that I thought was my color using this. and it looks so good on them, but I think this is a titch, I think it's a titch dark. What do you think? I think it's a titch dark. I think I could go a little bit lighter. I had done warm honey, or I can't remember, warm something. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Born This Way butterscotch, which I also think is a little dark. I did buy warm sand, which I'm going to try out. And then I'm going to use my Fenty truffle. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. The truffle. Okay. This is a e.l.f. powder brush I like to use to buff out and chisel out my face. Buff out the cream and chisel out my face. So this is when I do this. So that's given it enough time. So now I'm going to go in and do my eyes. Under my eyes. I'm trying not to make faces, but I can't help it. It is what it is. It's like, how do you get it on? And keep that beauty guru look. I don't know how people do it. I'm just who I am, I guess. I'm taking a brush and contouring my nose. Okay, then I am going to take my MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, taking the Soft Focus, which is this color. I'm putting it under my eyes. And everywhere that I really put the light color. And this is the medium dark palette. So they have a lighter palette. This is the medium dark palette. And then, where is, then I'm going to take these two colors, mix them together, and contour around my perimeter. So that's done. And then this is Tiger Lily. This is Tiger Lily from Becca. This is extremely light. I don't know, I thought it was going to be more like Taj Mahal from NARS. Just my all-time favorite blush, but it's not really giving me a whole heap of anything. Not too far down. And then I'm going to powder up with, drum roll, gonna powder up with the loose powder by MAC in dark. This is a mineralized loose foundation in dark. And set my entire face. Then I'm going to spray my face down. I haven't done my brows yet, I know. And this is with Chill by Urban Decay. Love that. And I'm going to, where's my Bobbi Brown? This is my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow. All-time favorite highlighter. Find my highlighter brush. It's in here in this malaise of brushes. Definitely, I have definitely hit pan on that one, trying to widen that out. Bought a new highlighter, but I still have some highlighters I haven't even touched that I bought a year ago. But I just keep coming back to this one. I love the way it looks on me. It's just a nice, warm glow. A little on my nose, a little on the Cupid's bow. I just love the glow. let me finish my face and I'll be right back. So I'm all finished. I put my brows on. This is the finished makeup look. I think the foundation looks really good on me. What do you think? Do you think that the butterscotch, the combination of butterscotch and fawn, is it too dark under my eyes? Is it really highlighting? I'm not sure. I think it is a little dark. It's not too dark that I can't wear it, but I think that it is dark. So when I finish these, which is going to be a long time, this is pretty full. When I finish these, I will try the warm sand, as I said. I've seen a lot of people who I think are my complexion twins using warm sand, so I'm looking forward to trying that. But this is my completed look. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do it. Just click below, and I will see you in my next video.